One of our biggest killers of ad results is slow lead response time. Speed really does matter. Now think about it. When a homeowner fills out a form, they're usually contacting around 2 or 3 other contractors at once. And if you even wait an hour, chances are someone else is already booking that appointment. That's why you want to respond within 60 seconds, whenever possible. And if it's after hours, a simple auto text reply like, "Thanks for reaching out. We'll call you first thing in the morning," can keep you from losing that lead. And it's not just about who replies first. Use a 5-touch, 5-day cadence. Keep following up until you get an answer, because the contractor who responds fastest and stays consistent usually wins the job. Now, there's good news. At Foundational Marketing Hub, we've built a tool that completely solves for this problem. It's called Client Maximize. With Client Maximize, you'll never miss a lead again. Our built-in AI agents, they actually answer these calls just like a real rep, answering questions, handling concerns, and even scheduling appointments, whether it's after hours or you're just busy in the field. And it doesn't stop there. Client Maximize also has AI automation that kicks off a drip campaign, sends reminders and follow-ups with leads even while you sleep. And here's what ties it in with the data from Foundational Marketing Hub's Meta Ads benchmark sheet is the top performing contractors respond to new leads in under 60 seconds and the follow-up 5 times within 5 days. That Client Maximize helps you hit those benchmarks automatically, so you never have to leave revenue on the table. And this is kind of what separates Foundational Marketing Hub from every other marketing company out there. We don't just run the ads for you. We provide the technology and the expertise to make sure those ads actually turn into real book jobs on your calendar. And that's the beauty of Client Maximize. It's why all of our clients trust us to handle all of their digital marketing. It happens mostly automatically.